Every time a new ticket comes in with a keyword like refund, your agents have to figure out the right process from scratch. Zendesk triggers can change that by automatically adding an internal note the moment a matching ticket is created. This is a native Zendesk feature that requires zero code or webhooks. When a trigger fires, it posts a pre-written internal note directly on the ticket, giving every agent the same reliable reminder every single time. Before you build this, confirm you have a Zendesk suite or support plan on team tier or higher, admin access to your account, and a clear use case in mind, like flagging any ticket that mentions a specific keyword. Log in to Zendesk and open the admin center. From there, go to Objects and Rules, then Business Rules, and click Triggers. This is where you create and manage all your automation rules. Click Add Trigger and give it a descriptive name right away. Something like Internal Note, Add Refund Process Reminder tells anyone looking at your rules list exactly what this trigger does without needing to open it. Conditions are the IF part of the rule. Add 2. First, ticket is created, so it only fires once. Second, comment text contains the word refund. Together, these make sure the note only appears on new tickets with that specific keyword. Under Actions, click Add Action and select Ticket, then Internal Note. A text box appears where you type your message. For example, heads up, this ticket mentions a refund. Please follow the process doc in our Confluence space. Hit Create to save the trigger. Then send a test ticket from a personal email address and include your keyword in the message body. The automated internal note should appear in the ticket thread almost immediately. Native trigger notes are consistent and reliable, but they are static. Every matching ticket gets the exact same text. They cannot read the ticket to understand context, pull information from external tools, or adapt to the details of a specific request. eesel AI works directly inside Zendesk to write a unique summary for each ticket. It reads the full conversation, pulls relevant steps from your Confluence or Google Docs, and can even fetch live data like order status from external systems. Native triggers give you a solid foundation, consistent, rule-based reminders from Zendesk data. eesel AI adds a layer on top, dynamic summaries that understand ticket intent, pull from multiple knowledge sources, and surface real-time information your agents actually need. 3 things to watch out for. First, trigger loops. Guard against them by tagging tickets and adding that tag as an exclusion condition. Second, only one internal note fires per ticket event, so list priority matters. Third, automated notes post under the system user account, not an agent. You can get eesel AI connected to Zendesk in just a few minutes. Start a free trial at eesel.ai and see how dynamic, context-aware internal notes can help your agents handle tickets faster.